So here's a quick simple question. We want to choose any point on the first line to find the distance between the parallel lines in each pair. So we have a couple of parallel lines, and if we want to find the distance between them, we need to pick a point on one and then find the perpendicular distance. So to find a point on a line, we just set y equal to 0, which will mean x plus 5 equals 0 in the first equation, or x equals minus 5. So our point is minus 5, 0. And all we need to do is apply the perpendicular distance formula to the second equation. So the distance, we might just work out a, b, and c. A is going to be 1, b is going to be minus 3, c is going to be minus 2 in this case. So distance is going to be absolute value of 1 times minus 5 minus 3 times 0 minus 2 over the square root of 1 squared plus minus 3 squared. Now that gives us absolute value of minus 5 minus 2 over 1 plus 9 square root of 10, which is absolute value of minus 7, so 7 over root 10, which is 7 root 10 over 10. And that's all there is to it. Now here are a couple of questions that use the same sort of strategy. They're kind of backwards questions because we're meant to find a variable if we already know the perpendicular distance. Okay, the distance from a point to a line is this perpendicular distance. So we're going to write out the distance formula here. So we already know that the distance is going to be 2 root 5. And the distance formula says, and we might just quickly work out what a, b, and c is. A is going to be equal to minus 2 because that's the coefficient of x. B is equal to 1 because that's the coefficient of y. And c is going to be k, and that's our unknown. So 2 root 5 is going to be equal to minus 2 times 1 plus 1 times minus 3 plus k over the square root of minus 2 squared plus 1 squared. Now simplifying that, we've got the absolute value of minus 2 minus 3, that's minus 5 plus k over square root of 5. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by root 5. So we end up with 2 times 5, 10, is equal to the absolute value of minus 5 plus k. And it's a typical absolute value question. So we have minus 5 plus k equals 10, or minus 5 plus k equals minus 10, which means k is equal to 15 or 5. And again, that's all there is to it. Second question, same strategy, only a tiny bit harder. Thank you.